Hi there. Today for Block 2, I am going to be discussing two topics: systems development lifecycle and e-commerce. Systems development lifecycle is commonly referred to as SDLC, and it is the steps that a system must go through from its conception to its disposition. There are many different models of SDLC that can be used. These separate models include waterfall, rapid application development, joint application development, fountain, spiral, build and fix, and synchronize and stabilize. The model that I will be focusing on is the waterfall model. It is the most commonly used. There are several different steps that are in the waterfall model, and these steps are used to maximize the productivity of the SDLC system. Based on the complexity of the project, there can be many different steps. Some basic steps that are used in almost all waterfall model SDLC systems are analyze, design, develop, test, and finalize. The analyze step is the first step. This is where the system developers set goals and decide what they want it to achieve. This is basically the outline. The next step is design. This is where they make charts and implement the goal. This is key to make the system work correctly. The next step is develop. This is when they actually write the code. They also execute the plans implemented from the design stage. The fourth step is this is where the code is tested for functionality and performance of the system. And the last step is finalize. This is where evaluations are performed, including debugging based on customer feedback that is received, and they're also able to updates. The next topic I will be discussing is e-commerce. E-commerce is also electronic commerce, and that is the buying and selling of goods over an electronic network. The most common electronic network that goods are bought and sold through is the internet. There are benefits and disadvantages of using e-commerce, both for the businesses using it and the consumers buying products through it. One major advantage is to be able to find the best deals. In a store, there's one set price for the product that you want. But if you're buying it online, you are able to look at different sites and decide which place has the best deal. Another advantage is ease of access. You can buy things online at any time of the day without even leaving your house. Stores have certain hours that you're allowed to shop at them, and so e-commerce is much more beneficial if you have a job that doesn't allow you to get to a store in the middle of the day. The final advantage for e-commerce is that you have more of a choice. In stores, they have a set number of products that they're able to show and that you're able to purchase. But online, there's thousands of products on many different stores sites. There are also disadvantages of e-commerce. One major disadvantage can be waiting for the arrival of the product. When you're at a store, you're able to purchase your product and take it home with you that same day. If you buy it online, it takes a few days to ship to you. Another disadvantage is that you don't get to see the product in person. Some major purchases, such as a car or house, are very important to be able to look at, and so you wouldn't want to make that sort of purchase online without testing it out or making sure that it's exactly what you want. And the final possible disadvantage of e-commerce is possible shipping fees. When you buy things online, many companies ship it to you since you're not actually in the store to take it home with you. So it could end up being more expensive than it would have been at the store. To recap, today I have discussed systems development lifecycle, which is the steps that a system must go through. And then also e-commerce, which is the buying and selling of goods over an electronic network, mainly the internet. Thank you for listening.